Welcome back, dear students. Our today class is class 31, in which the synonyms are: first number, voice. Voice can be produced by mouth, as I recognized you on the phone when I heard your voice. The second one is sound. Sound can be produced by a loudspeaker, as the sound of loudspeakers is very annoying. The third one is see. See means to perceive with the eyes, as I saw my friend. The fourth one is watch. Watch means to pay careful attention to something, as watch where you put your feet. The fifth one is look. Look means to direct one's eyes in a specific direction, as look at the board.